Hello everyone, welcome back. I've seen your questions and feedback on my previous video about making groundnut oil and kuli kuli. Many of you succeeded while others faced some challenges. So I have made this update step-by-step video to guide you through the process and help you get the best results. Let's get started. This is the total quantity of peanuts we will be working with. It is 1 pint which I have removed 3 cups from. First, roast your peanuts until they are golden brown. The type of peanut you have does not really matter, provided it is fresh. Although some species produces more oil than others, just like this one I'm working with. This is called Kampala. It has some white stripes around its body. But if you can't get this one, just make use of any species available to you, preferably the bigger seeds. Don't let them burn. Burnt peanuts will ruin the oil extraction. Roast on a medium heat and stir continuously for even cooking. When the skin comes off easily, when you squeeze with your finger just like this, it is ready. Transfer them to your collecting tray and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. After roasting, let the peanut cool slightly before removing the skin. Rub them against each other in your palm. The skin will come off. Then we know to separate the skin from the seed and we are good to go. Now let's proceed to blend our peanut. Feed in your blender the amount it can handle. Cover and blend. Blend until you get a smooth, watering peanut butter consistency. The smoother, the better. Do not add water while blending. This is very important for successful oil extraction. Then transfer them to your collecting container. Then repeat the same process until you are done blending all. Now our peanut paste is ready. Now stir it around with your spatula for 1 minute. Then gradually add hot water to it once at a time, then stir. When needing the paste to extract oil, water temperature matters. Hot water works for any peanut paste. But if your paste is freshly blended, it will still be warm. Using only hot water will prevent the paste from firming up. So you can start with hot water and finish with room temperature water. This helps the paste becomes firm and makes oil extraction and kuli kuli molding easier. As you can see, as we add the water gradually, once at a time, the paste is becoming heavier and thickens up. And also the texture starts changing. Keep on going, it is not that difficult. Now the oil is started coming out gradually. At this point, I will switch to room temperature water. Add gradually once at a time and stir. Now, about how much water to add. This step is crucial. Many people struggle here. There is no exact measurement, but here is a guide to follow. For 1 kg of peanut butter, start with 1.5 cup of water. Stir thoroughly, then gradually reduce the amount. 1 cup next, then half cup, and so on. After each addition, stir for at least 3 to 5 minutes before adding more water. How do you know when to stop? When the paste starts to release oil, slow down on adding water. To test the texture, hold some paste in your hands. If it holds together firmly, you are good to go. If it falls apart, add a little room temperature water and stir another 5 minutes. As the oil started coming out, the paste becomes harder. At this point, I switch to my hand so I can mash it properly. Look at how much oil we have gotten already. Stay till the end to see the total quantity of peanut oil from this production. About what if you add too much water? If your paste becomes soft and greasy, don't worry, you can fix it. Here is how. Transfer the paste to a pot. Cook over a low heat. Stir continuously until it thickens. This helps to remove excess water and restore the right texture for oil extraction. Now mash down through the middle. Once the oil gather at the middle, carefully scoop out the oil into your frying pan. Once all the oil have been scooped out, it is time to add our ingredients. First, add in your salt, your sugar and chili pepper. Now mix everything until well blended. Remember, all other ingredients are optional except for salt. The paste lost its original taste during oil extraction, so without salt, it won't be tasty. Now mold them into your preferred shape. This is what we got. Now we are going to fry them over a medium heat with the oil we extracted. Carefully add them to the oil. Do not stir them yet. Allow them to fry for about 6 to 7 minutes before turning or else they will scatter. Then after 6 minutes, stir and turn them for the other side to be fried as well. Once golden brown, remove them from the oil into your collecting container. Then repeat the same process with the remaining ones. Here we have our kuli kuli ready. Can you hear that snap and the crunchiness? Allow the oil to cool to room temperature before bottling. Once cool, transfer it into your collecting container. Separate the residue from oil with the help of a chiffon cloth. And we got a total of 828 grams of pure Kuli Kuli oil. I hope these update steps makes the process easier for you. With practice, you will master the art of making groundnut oil and Kuli Kuli. I also have more method to share with you, so you can stick with the one that works best for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful videos.